the Jabra Elite A5H package is who cares? It comes in a pre-packaged bag, which is hardcover. You can use this for the transportation. And it turns on automatically when you turn the cups to the use position. It comes with a audio jack and a recharge cable. The recharge cable is quite short. That's okay. But on the other hand, the audio jack is only a bit over a meter, 120, and that's a bit too short if you want to keep your phone in a pocket and connect through audio jack and not Bluetooth. The cups feel nice to hand and for ears, and the buttons on the left-hand side on the cup is for toggling the active noise cancellation heater through and off. And on the right-hand side there is, on the same location, there is mic mute, and on the right cup there is 3 buttons, the power button and the volume ups and such. It's all about how it feels, and in prolonged use I think it's a bit uncomfortable, but for short periods of time it's good. For example, compared to the Logitech G430, these are not as comfortable. The sound quality is good, but the mic quality is so and so. This is me speaking with the Jabra headset microphone, and it's okay. It seems to be working fine, but the sound volume is quite low and there is some background noise.